Go and come. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. Little boy, said the uncle, you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. I can't do it, he said. Oh, yes, you can, said the uncle. Well, I don't want to. Not just now, said the little boy. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. The uncle was himself a hard working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Just then his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. Oh, said his mother, what fun that will be! I love to weed, and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed? Why, yes, said the boy. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. Cottage. Cottage is a small, simple house. We usually see cottages in a rural area. Manure. Materials mixed with soil to help plants grow. Pruned. Remove dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them grow. Weeding. Removing troublesome unwanted plants from a field or garden. Sadly, badly, very much. Sadly is used along with words like needed, needed sadly, or wanted sadly. Welled up, filled with water, filled with water. Answer the following questions. Was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? No, it was not at all wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden. Was the boy naughty? No, the boy was not naughty. Did the boy's mother want him to work? Yes, the boy's mother wanted him to work in the garden. Once there lived a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. So, where did the little boy live? He lived in a pretty little cottage. What is a cottage? A countryside house. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Around the cottage, the cottage was in the ground, and in front of the ground there was a garden, lovely garden. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden. You can have rose, you can have mogra, chameli, or many other plants. So there was a lot of work to do there. So if you have many plants, then you have a lot of work. So what kind of work they had? The plants had to be watered every day. The plants had to be watered every day. What will happen if you don't water the plants? The plants will dry up and die. They had to be given manure from time to time. What is manure? Manure is the nutrients or food for the plants. Manure is usually mixed in the soil in which the plant grows. Now, from what is the manure made? From all the waste material. You put the waste material into a pit, and from that, soil like thing is created, and that is manure. That is rich in nutrients for the plant. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. They means the plants. The plants had to be cut and pruned. Pruned means given proper shape, and unwanted branches are removed, cut out. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Sometimes you see in the garden there are unwanted plants. They have to be removed. Unwanted means they are not good to look at. They are just like grass, and they have to be weeded means removed. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. There were many other people in his family. Little boy had father, mother, and brothers and sisters, and the uncle who had come there. So everybody helped to take care of the garden. They worked in the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle. He had an uncle. How was the uncle? He was very, very strict. So he did not tolerate just sitting idle. He wanted the child to work, to do some useful things. So the boy's uncle had come to stay with them for a few days. The boy's uncle, he had come to see them and to stay with them for only a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. The uncle believed in means he worked hard and he was disciplined. Discipline means doing everything in right time. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. So what did he see? What did he observe? The uncle observed that the boy was playing around in the house, just playing around, alone, doing nothing. The uncle felt that he should work. So what did he say? Little boy, said the uncle, you would be far better at work. You would be far better at work. You start working. Better you start working. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Your garden, there are too many weeds there. Unwanted plants are there. So you have to remove them. Weeding means removing. You have to remove the weeds. Sadly means badly. You have to do it immediately, otherwise it will look dirty. Go now and weed it. Go now and weed means remove the unwanted plants. Like a good child. Go now and weed it like a good child. You be a good child. Don't be a naughty child. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. So he was not in a mood. The little boy, he was in a mood of playing. So he did not like the uncle telling him to weed the garden that day. I can't do it, he said. So he just refused to do it. I can't do it, the little boy said. Oh, yes, you can, said the uncle. Oh, yes, you can. You can means if you want, you can do it. It is not that you are not capable of doing it. You are capable of doing it and you can do it. Well, I don't want to. Not just now. The little boy, he was in a mood of playing. So, what did he say? I don't want to. I don't want to work in the garden. Not just now. At least not now. I may work later on, but not now, said the little boy. Now the uncle was forceful. He wanted him to work. So what did he say? But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. Don't be naughty. So you have to go and do your work at once. This is an order. Get up and go. So the uncle was ordering the boy to get up immediately and go. The uncle was himself a hard working man. So, what kind of uncle was he? He was a hard working person. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. So, the uncle, he did not stop there. He just ordered the little boy and went away to the other room in order to do his own work. But the little boy sat still. Sat still means did not move. He just sat in one place without making any movements. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. So he thought that the uncle was just demanding too much. So he felt that his uncle is unfair. His chin began to wobble. Wobble means shake. Now, suppose you are angry, so you start weeping, you start crying, and your chin starts wobbling, shaking. He had a lump in his throat. He had a lump. Now he felt like crying. So he felt as if there was a lump in his throat, something to come, trying to come out, and his eyes welled up. And his eyes welled up means they were full up of tears. Just then his mother walked in. Just then he was about to cry, and his mother came in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. What's the matter means what happened to you? Little boy, she asked. Why do you look so unhappy? So, why are you unhappy? You are sad. Why are you sad? What happened to you? Uh, who has beaten you or who has threatened you? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. What was the complaint of the little boy? His uncle had told him to weed the garden. Oh, said his mother, what fun that will be! I love to weed, and it is such a fine day. So the mother, she said that it was a fun to weed. I love to weed. She also loved to weed, and it is such a fine day. Now that day was also very fine. She felt like weeding the garden. Can I come and help you to weed? So the mother offered the child help. Why, yes, said the boy. Now the boy was happy that the mother was also involved in weeding the garden. So he was very happy. You can see in the picture how happy he is along with his mother. Come on, come, let's do it now, said his mother. So his mother agreed readily to start working in the garden. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. So the boy got up readily, immediately, and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully. The two of them weeded the garden means removed all unwanted dirty looking plants and made the garden look very beautiful, and had a very good time together working and chatting and laughing. So you can see the garden, how beautiful it has become.